Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. My name is William Leonard, and in today's video, we're filming a 1954 Chevy Bel Air that belongs to my buddy Frank. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a beautiful car. If you do, give this video a like, and if it is your first time passing by my channel, go ahead and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Frank Palacio. I own this car, 1954 Chevy Bel Air, that I bought 2 years ago, year and a half. I bought it from memory of my grandfather. And I bring it in from New Jersey. The car, I restored the car a little bit. You know, that was in good shape on the paint on the body. And I put some another accessories on the car. Put some new tires, rims. You can see those exhausts from the side, on the sides of the door. I did those things over here. I don't know how they call them.
Fins.
Right,
Fins.
The visors, the fog lights, I put it on. That was an extra things that I did to the car. The window deflectors. Those things, I hope they call them like that, you know, window deflectors. And some another mechanic things that I did to the car. I changed the motor. I had a positive traction differential, 373. That transmission is a 700 R4, and the motor is a small block 350. I replaced the engine for the reason that when I bought the car, you know, I see the body was beautiful and everything, but I had some little inconvenience with the engine. The car was slow, and I preferred to have something a little bit strong, and, you know, I made the decision to replace it.
And when you bought the car, you painted it?
No. That car was like that original. I bought it from a family in New Jersey. You know, they're keeping the cars always in the garage.
It was always garage kept.
Yes, yes.
The car looks in very good conditions.
It is. The interior, I restored the whole interior. You know, you can see the car used to be green, complete.
Inside,
and I made the decision to restore the whole interior, and I made it like the same car that I used to have my grandfather in Cuba. This was one of the first cars that I was learned to drive. So this is the reason that I bought the car, for my grandfather.
In memory of your grandfather?
In memory of him, and that's why we keep on the front of the car. You can see the tag that we have here, his name. People used to call him a manga. And I did the same thing inside the motor. On the firewall, you can see it. Memory of him. Memory of my grandfather, El Manga. And on the other place, on the other side, is a 1954 Chevy Bel Air, owned and driven by Frank Palacio. That's me.
Frank, this engine came out of which car?
This engine, really, I don't know, but the numbers I have, it comes from a 1977 Chevy Corvette. It's a small block, 350.
You re-chromed it and everything?
Yes, I restored the whole engine, right.
Another thing that you added to this car, Frank, you were mentioning to me, was the AC system.
Yes, I got some AC systems. I put some brake discs of the whole car on the Ford, back and front.
Let me show you guys the AC.
And the cluster, I changed it too. I put a Omega brand.
Here you got the AC vents.
Right.
What brand is the air conditioning system?
Really, I don't remember.
Okay.
But you know, that has to be one of those off the market.
This car is really comfortable. I was riding with him, I was cruising, and it's really, really comfortable.
It has a radio, it has some Bluetooth.
Okay.
You can see it there.
So that radio that you have there is not the original, but it's a newer radio resembling the old one.
Right, it's correct.
How about the glass? I see that it's pretty much the same color as the car, green. You guys might not be able to see that on the camera, but you replace the glass.
No, that comes completely that. Like the way you can see the car was in very good shape, good condition. Look like that we restored them before. The only thing is I'm just giving a little touch by myself, you know?
To make it your own.
Right, I'm making my own.
It's a very nice car, Frank.
Right. All these chromes, you know, it's really hard to find it right now.
And expensive.
And really expensive. You can see that.
Very nice trunk. And as we see here, Frank, this car used to come with a Power Glide transmission.
It's correct. That used to come with a Blue Bend 125. That comes with 2 gears, Power Glide. And, you know, I changed the whole thing. So I'm trying to keep the car most original as possible.
You're trying to keep it as original as possible, but reliable at the same time.
Right. So what I was planning to, what you asked me, William, about the Power Glide, all right? This is how the car used to come, all right? It's 13 different models of these cars that used to come, the Bel Air, all right? The 210 series and the 150, all right? So that means the Bel Air is the top of the line on this car. It's the one that I have. And the 210 comes with one of those things. You can see it there. All right, and the 150 is the plain.
The most plain version.
The most plain version, right. There used to be 13 different.
And as we see
models.
here, the Bel Air, which is the one that you have,
right.
It comes in 2 tones.
Right, they usually come in 2 tones. The 150 used to come in 1 tone and 2 tone, you know, and this is the plain.
Which doesn't have any of the trim
right.
that it has on the side.
It doesn't have no accessories
no
at all.
accessories.
And the other ones on the bottom, is the convertible. So
and
right here.
This is pretty much, Frank, what they used to show you when you were to go buy a car back in 1954 to the dealership.
Right, and they show you the models they have. Right here you can see this is the 4 doors. This is the 2 door with the
post.
The 2 doors without post, station wagon, and the convertible. Okay, I'm gonna show you how the motor sounds now. You can see it.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Beautiful 1954 Chevy Bel Air. If you did, be sure to give it a like. And if it is your first time passing by the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You can also follow me on social media at Generation Oldschool on Instagram. Thank you so much.